Yamwakwa Badwam TV Badwam Jumadi eso. Yada radio sese na juon so 14th April ya wonkwa ewa hoden. Yada na se papa pa Jumadi ni ahyase se Badwam wo anwumtuo mu. De edu so na yada Badwam kase no ebron somno ne ebetodwa mu bi ya wobetini. Emabunu bi ya womo ewotema ye kire wotema Metropolitan Assembly. Ni nyina ne se nadie Ghana mampani Pau Mensin Krachia. Wayetemani yede honsom no ebebro na yakwa share task force ayate wapoye mantemu Eastern Region Security Council se won di tu won eye fem agudie ene ho ade no enema ahodo bi a wagege de afri adehie bi nsemu eno ne nsem bi na obete Adom TV Badwam kase o share live on Facebook /Adom TV extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 uko YouTube search Adom TV 2 kwadom online.com sansem we ni bebre so ewo ho bidi de afia amankwa tamaklo faseda emma sikadua won mo na abomiti kama fefefe na Frederick Opticals enso ebo mani ho ban afia ni de mientie se de nsem nchemu ankasa etie ebebunu bi ya won mo ewo tema ene wo ma bodom pem wo tema Metropolitan Assembly a wo frem ampani John Dramani Mahama se ne de emre no aso so obeyi odihye ofri tema semensi no mokrache penny.
The customs that carries tema, Ebi Bride knows nothing about it. He knows nothing about it. The reason why the traditional council wants an indigene is because he knows the in and out of everything that happens in Tema. He knows their culture, their norms and values and everything that he can, help our sitting MP to progress. So as for Ebi Bride, we don't want her. Ebi Bride to say, the whole process, everything from A to Z. She wasn't part. So then are they trying to tell us that going for the form and going through the right process and proceedings is not necessary or what? Those that has been called to, the first three that has been called to, they have gone through the process from right from the onset till now. So someone else can just come in as if they are trying to impose someone on us.
Jukwa hene a wono anso ye kasama forma gomwa adwumakon traditional council na okatachie aidan oprim wode to assembly members ni nyina ni manidie mu a de aban bebo ni din so mehwe mensin no eso no wonyi wontum se be ye betumi abo ama mpuntuo afri ase entem
na expectation ewo oye yidibi wa omampanyin da hye yen say de ye bohwe de se bibi mu obai ansana yen so ye ba nti ye bohwe edwuma wo ye ne ya to ya do na ya ye mpumasen na de ya boa Gumwa district no Gumwa Central district no ma afa Ntim Fordjor ebi mu abayi bi tire ma music kan na meso mi gina nananum wa anem ye da omampanyin ase ye hwe kwan de ya kwan a previous government no wan ye ho hwe bia no obobo ama wetu wasisi ya kwan ama mebu no so wenye dwuma ye
enwachi NDC communication officer wo Gumwa Central Badwam Pesua so Carlos ya wanochi enso ebo mampanyin John Dramani Mahama baso se weyi Gumwa Central NDC Badwam Pesua no so twetwefo Kwabena Hakman Edu se wono ene ye mensini krache ogidi yese ebebo manfo
de wabo yenewura Kwabena Hakman Edu de ono omra no omesina nan ewo Gumwa Central District Assembly omesina nan ewo ha they na enim de answer na mampeni oboni din no oye the 7 constituency secretary me churchofo pena wo hene constituency amu nyane nua owura Hakman Edu na brabo na nadwumazina waye na our leadership role to occupy the main seat mampeni no action de manyam no mo hwe ye chi ha mo Gumwa Central adeche constituency executives branch executives na party stakeholders na ye hye mo he nti yabada mampeni John Dramani Mahama ase awo nyem kase a ode ashen
enfifi mantemu NPP amanyoko na nei wonmo akasade atia kwan a ye faso tete aban mu adwumayefo adadafo bi no omuchemu se kwan aban no ye na nyane kwan so no omo emempuntuo ani nyuma nkoso sense wochecheche nkrofo na munsem eni
na wona wokabi onye yina ya ka cho dem Ghana baya musu ba sa kwa mesuma nan ma okodo wo John Dramani na memum o ya asefem ontwe ye ni kan yim do obi a mampanyin na zinka oba ize enke be a better situation the massive improvement na mum we are retrogressing yes and heti on ma yan democratic achievement yin over the years na amama nyina wo hwe ozo bu kokko ya ba ya kwanyanyim e be san heti enti yan kwanyina afi hanu ntum ni yan kasenti mo orokodon
enwe chokade to aso se kane mampanyini na nadanko akufo ado penso no NDC amanyuko no twetwa ntoro bebre denso obibie ne hono mu a wo kire no ne senti wo hudi enti a e wo se eni Reverend Ntim Fordjor a ode no kore no eba no o national security for ekonifie
ayi anda nanado na ban oya minister for communication CCR Sam George Austin at that time Ghana Armed Forces won't play bi ekokumasi akọ tamale na woye yemabwan onye enti Ghana Force CDS at that time onye hwehwem okachi Sam George wachi Sam George yanche Sami Jevi getting to 2024 election accused one brigadier general Pokumenu no the tax no about 2024 election in favor of the NPP. Was Sami Jevi arrested? Was he arrested? And no na NDC 1 year when another brother na another Kufa na ban na Shafo were very tolerant and when one trying to model one catch one conquers about friendship when you but under John Dramani Mahama na ban say honorable member of parliament o to anamon there meyanti na obi bi akodo onye no won to anamon won jema oyema okakachina
Adom TV Badwam kase na uguso eshano na staff union National Service Authority ya one more Asian National Service Authority staff union no ase one more kasade etia sede amanyofo mu fu soldiers no one more adwuma no peso jeboso na nyasa na nhyehyɛ no etienti Adom TV kase ni bi edin komoyi
enkrata oforiso obosomede toso dubako National Service Authority staff union edibetu dwano wono HRC sese kamia isa amanyosem eba asoye no internal affairs mupa enkankan eni adwumayefo ebefa womo ne wono ebeyi womo akoba bifoforo na wochire mu seba ne saa adwuma ne nhyehyɛ ye da honom no wonfanya adwuma yiye ne senti womanfonya wono anwotoso ye adwuma wono ye no nso bebre na anyini senti o kasetia saa no yoye no na fu soldiers a wode wono mu aba National Service Authority nim no so mpanifo nyimfiri ho ekoyi echire mu a wono ma wofo adwuma nyina ehye National Service Authority Act 2024 Act 1119 wase any Public Services Commission Act 1994 Act 482 no so ase a esanso eka article 195 omaiga na mamra na sasu ena mankrata yi so ede to mabu na wo atoye mantemu ya sesei eho ena mantemu wase asori se wonka won makomanto wo yem sansa so ye no edin hyehyeye egu akwamu a emra eda ho no ode beye adwuma ode to National Service Authority mpanifo anim se hyehyeye efiri tete asoye ne de aye adwuma ne se wonfa enya adwuma yie se beye a ebetimi ede impuntu aba
limited they fee one adwuma no as 10.5 km ho bypass ye dual carriage kwan no na etumi aboa mafra mantemu nso won ho ahehan ewo akwan ensem
ababetu dwase ekwan brofo kwansi ne edu achiripo num ho bypass a mpanifo ye no adwuma ahyase ewoso enche bia no so afa wo hwa kwan ne kwantempon so kwame agboja ekọ bia honom akwansra na sesei adwuma ahyase ewoso na eka ampanyi John Dramani Mahama ne bosha wo hwa manfo framantemu ebra na wokobonto ano eho mfidi akese be senum na sesei wokokwan ne so abehu se eye adwuma ewoso wo hwa kwan se obeyi ekwan ne free nkran ede ato aplawo sebeye akwantufo betimi edi akoni abakosi so beye kwan no awie ekwan yi efri etoy runabout edikofa University of Health and Allied Sciences Mirage edikofa Ho Technical University Powerhouse ansana akoka ho denu kwan no eso akwakosi yamane bofo de waso etoto fom no ote say runabout nso obesibi wakwan yi eso a ebeboa ama ahyen ebope so ho no nso eso ate omanfo framantemu ehwe kwan se ekwan yi wo wi a ebeboa ama edwadie akoso pa ya wonu akwan ho nsem so ebekoyi
so na ya konsam foforo mu okada riders wa danse akrofuom was Santamantum mo sempeni for adwin wo nsusu ye se ni won anya mfie aduonu enum ne betumi atwi okada no de eno de oni aban no anya adwene ne mom omo de epemu a 19 de eye oni Adom kase atwaso
you will be for 8 years. Maybe a friend will reassess. Or the Bob Rakakra, and I will be Pesca Kakra, no de Atwaso. And this age in the between 18 and 19 cry, and go cut off one Kababua. Emma, Obia to me a baby, say Baya, on the Subet Miakan and Sassy, Aquaco Pesca. No, so they are trying to school so. And the Kodia me and Yajan Wunina and say, or buy and what the name of the welcome say, you'll go across Kimoto, New Lances. On one to Nwasi was so Pessoa Yamayan. And no quack a crown. Aya, dear, say me ya cry when you are, over to me, you lances, like I say, a Yanipasumes, honorable Zuma Bresso, and a Minya lances, and no quiet plus, Emano, and no dear Danasi.
Yet the Brasil General about to pursue any common.
Omo yes, Juma wino. Dodo na peka kakra. E de ato omo school so de akopa adwuma bi asua akopa wi. Enti kakra bi omunya na, omo pese omunya, wo se ko omo botom. Enti me ya de we de ama omo. Said the bear 1 accident so beti 2 sika bia wo benya bia beka omo botom obi hunu omo nje no hu so 2 moto a e wo so share helmet or ne licenses enti enne ne kine ya akoya no me ne omo e beti committee afi we me dedicate 100,000 cedis e de aye de kind of 1 billion e de aye this exercise no me target ne say afi we de anya hwe kwa afi nko na wie at least 150 people Okades riders. I was a media and near license and yet a mom.
Task Force, yate, Eastern Regional Security Council, that's here. Say, one of the 2 galamsey for no. And I'm so yache, Enipa and Watche, and near my only 2 galamsey, do one once I can, I would then chambo, Etiwa West, Fantiaqua, and against Swano, Bensino.
We coping the Eastern region, looking for places where illegal miners are doing the wrong thing. If you go around, our waters are so bad, our environment is destroyed, peat uncovered, our forest is being destroyed, and this is what is a hazard to our nation and our region. So for the few days, our men have been on the ground, and here you are with several excavators that have been seized from them. What we are telling our people is that we need the water clean to drink. For the past days, we have been to our service providers, especially waterworks, and it is the problem that our area is facing because our waters are not being cleared because of what illegal mining is doing to our waters. We are telling the people of the East that the men are on the ground. They are not leaving. They are not leaving anytime soon until we stop the illegal mining. Until the environment is cleared, our people are on the ground.
Yanto so na bekwai ne fomena posifo akum akronfo enan ewo galamsey site no wo samfo aduam bekwai mensimu ewo asante mantam ne emu na AK47 wonya free wo mo ho pump action guns mienu ene taxi emunsam eni facha ye pramtobre ne nsam kaye no ye de bebremo na yanto so na yemmo enkonsam foforo mu obomi hene ena ene wode futuo ne kokobo ma de hye ne tichiwo no wona ebeba bedi Easter no wo kwawu se nubone de woni wo hu firi mu kra nu anu odin ebe ha wo mo no woni wo hu firi mu wa fi Easter dadie no
na ye youth no so popo ayaka fa drugs that mononom. In fact, the empesi ya this year no mo no mo san nyoma mo se ma brabo mo se mo dachi ya dia sremo se bi mo miamnya mo ho mfaso ya srese amre se mo a wo bekọ kuku agu na mo no mo nuboni ni nyina police fo wo ho kwan se wo be kirewo ya kirewo so na ya de oba ya nimu dia no bia bia ya twase ya mfa wo nkodo ya de wo bekọ ya stress amre se bia kanyina yemfa nidie moma maye
na no si ye pena na se wampedu enso eden hyehyeye a Easter brain na no ahemfo aye etudwa
Grand Festival no hyase nti yewada no anwumre no asorefo ebeba choral groups wo beba brass band wa ha yewada no yɛbɛ sɛ obiara na wo batakari biara no bɛhyɛ batakari efia no pa nyinaa efia no pa no kete bɛkɔ so nneɛma bebree bɛkɔ so abɔma bɛkɔ so san sɛ abɔme amammerɛ mu yɛwada efo fi dade a yɛnkɔ baabi a nto na ɔdɛfo ɛbɛwɔ hɔ to ba no pɛ sɛ ɔkɔhyia ɔdɛfo a usi akyame so a na sɛ ɔnyɛ busy too much I mean so ɔbɛyɛ busy too much sa na akɔhyia ɔdɛfo fia dan so na nan bɛkɔ work yakɔ tenten yɛmpom
Ayenya no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na bɛma kwan na no pɛ yɛde asi aseda yɛ odia emrani adaje wadaro ma twɛn yɛm biem yɛnkyɛ de bonkrata no wɔ hɔ online de no so ayɛ krado yɛde to so